Okay, we finally made it to New York. We're in our hotel, but we can't check in. So we're going to do some sightseeing. Let's go for a walk. Here we are in the city, looking for a place to eat. Catwoman and I. Say hi, babe.
Hi, everybody.
We're in beautiful downtown Manhattan. It's freezing today. My son, 650, hasn't gotten here yet. But he's due to get here around 5:30, 6 o'clock. We're all going to go to dinner and enjoy this beautiful city. We found this really quaint restaurant. There's Catwoman. So we're going to get a bite to eat before we go back to the hotel. We can't check in yet. It's freezing out. But stay tuned. We're going to the Javits Center for the International Motorcycle Show tomorrow. Should be a good time. Okay. Of all the things to do in New York, she wants to go to Trump Towers. So we're going to walk over to Trump Towers.
I want to see what the hype's all about.
So we're going to blister this code.
Maybe protest. Just kidding.
Yeah, I got some Trump. Sure, I got some Trump supporters.
Crush from hell. I love that. Maybe we'll eat here.
It's got soup, salads, and sandwiches.
Nice.
We're going the wrong way.
Sure it doesn't go down?
Sure. 8th is right there. That's 9th.
Oh.
I didn't think it was that close to the water.
Yeah, I don't like that app either. It thinks...
My baby wants to do the tourist thing.
Say, welcome for money by here. That's okay, my brother?
Oh yeah, we don't have any cash.
No cash, man. And that's all right. No, we're good. Come on. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. I meant to tell you that. Yeah, when they asked you for pictures, so they want cash. Take your picture. Okay, so we're not allowed to walk in front. We're not allowed to walk in front of Trump Tower. So we'll give you this vantage point.
This is your hangout spot, honey.
How's your first trip to New York been so far?
Pretty eventful. Some great food so far. Good peeps.
Oh.
Enjoying
And we didn't even
ourselves.
pay him to say that.
No.
There we go. We got 650 back there. What's up, buddy?
How's it going there? It's chilly out here. It's 20 degrees. It's too cold to be filming and vlogging. Who the hell do you think you are, kid? Is he nice that?
Who is that? Oh, the guy I'm about to replace?
No, he's going to use restroom.
Okay. He's got irritable bowel
Yeah,
syndrome.
he's got IBS. Cut that from the film.
We're gonna get Steve some. We're gonna get Steve some.
You might find like some
We're gonna get Steve some Mampers.
you might find some pack time. No wonder you guys get along so well.
So, yeah, we're gonna get him some Mampers. That's
Oh,
terrible.
that's horrible.
No, the fact
Eve, you're
is,
a good person.
he should have done that down there in that damn luxury bathroom.
Just want to see if I can get you guys to turn around. Worked. City Motor Show. Met some of our guys that we ride with out of New York. Say what's up, man.
What's up, man? How's it going?
Say what's up, man.
Kelly, I'm calling you out, Kelly.
All right, I love challenges, so I'm getting another challenge.
I'm calling your boy Eve out too. Just letting you guys know.
Now this is for the
that a lot.
This is for the track, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
So I just got called out for the track. We'll be out there next summer. All right, stay tuned. Here we are at the New York City Motor Show. Jumping in. A couple guys to check out my YouTube channel. Appreciate it. No problem at all. Nice meeting you guys too. Nice meeting you, Eric. You guys have a good one. Here we are with Kawasaki's new ZX-10 RR. Here you are, 10RDZ. The next bike I'm gonna beat you on. Okay, Stunaway, since you couldn't make it, I'll bring it to you. Here she is, the new 2017 Suzuki GSXR with the blue forks, blue wheels. This whale dick. Which one of you guys is he catching? Not me. So, this is the motorcycle that Mike Dowdy and I were just talking about. It was commissioned to build a bike for Yamaha. Let's check it out. Kelly team, they call me Harwin Kelly. I do a little work with Yamaha.
Okay, cool.
And I do a little motor blogging. And I actually was reading up on this yesterday. This is a gorgeous bike. I watched your video.
Thank you very much.
You did a great job on this.
So honored. Thank you.
Yeah, me too. I mean, what's your name?
Yeah, Edward Jacobs. Yeah.
Hey, Edward?
Yeah.
Kelly, James, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Tell us a little bit about this design you did here.
Okay.
Well, the design really comes from a real functionalist kind of approach. Basically try to just be a conduit for what the actual bike wants to look like in the end, just by trying to be sensitive to the parts coming together in a real sensible way. Really the ideas behind it are really trying to build a bike from a highly modular point of view, so it's easy to manufacture all the sub-assemblies.
Right.
Yeah, in the final construction, the bike actually comes together with only 5 bolts. We have some real invention though as well, like the front end now has no top triple tree. So what we've done is, what it enables you to do now is now build the entire front end on the bench, wiring, plummet, and everything.
That's amazing.
Insert into the bike with 1 bolt. So, yeah, that's some of the...
Let's walk around and tell us about
sure.
it.
Yeah, sure.
Where do you want to start?
Yeah, we can start here.
Okay. Excuse me.
Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. 1 second. Sorry. So, yeah, can we start here? So, I was talking about here. No top triple tree. It's all basically completely floating. You'll notice here that there's like even here, we call this a spine, right? So a lot of times you're going to see in motorcycles or in the auto world, wiring harnesses that are strapped
And I
on
love that I don't see any. Yeah, I love that you don't see any wires. I think that's what sets us off. Yeah.
It's primary. Like we have spinal cord, right? It's central and core to a human body. It's not something that's an afterthought, fit in, after the fact. So basically, that's some of the philosophy here is take those things that are usually second thoughts, make them primary.
Yeah.
Lighting, all integrated directly into the bike. And actually, it's on small servo motors, so when you turn the bike on, it all comes out to code.
Wow. That is a genius idea. So these things fold in and fold out.
Yeah, they actually fold in and fold out.
That is brilliant. That is brilliant.
Come out to code, and they actually go back.
That is brilliant.
Thanks.
Yeah, that is brilliant.
Appreciate it.
Great job.
Thanks. Fully structural engine. This is actually what we're calling structural conduit. These are all fully structural, but at the same time, they actually allow you to pass electrical lines and hydraulic lines into the engine and back up into the top end. Here we have material from the architecture world. So this is a very high PSI. Basically, it's a heat dam that's used in I-beam construction. Normally, in big high rises and big, large construction projects.
Bring that knee out. There you go. That's good. That's good right there. Hold on. That's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Does it look like Ross?
Here you go. Hold on.
Elbow down.
Hold on. There. Hold on. Stupid phone. Stay there. You got it. Hold it. Come on. Come on. That's good. That's awesome. There you go. That's pretty good.
Yeah, teach you a few things.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Let's see whether you can hang like that.
Here.
No, we just have to do it.
Go ahead, okay, here we go.
Getting on board is
R1 Kelly going in for the most aggressive lean ever on two wheels. Come on, buddy. Come on. I know you got this. Look at him.
Here we go.
Oh, no.
That's tough.
It is.
Without those G's pulling you, it's tough.
Very hard.
We got Ducati Steve on the Yamaha. This will be good.
Okay.
Get that elbow down.
There we go. There we go.
That back foot's off that peg.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Look at that back foot over there.
I can still get up. That's called crashing.
Yes, he's crashed. We got to crash out in turn 3.
Hold on. Let me get my ankle out of it.
All right.
Let me try it again.
There we go. You're completely off. Oh,
There we go.
That's good.
Much better. On his second bike.
Still crash.
Yeah, still
Still came off.
That's when he gets off.
lucky to get my very first bike, but I've just been doing homework for the last couple years because I had a kid and it just
Took you away, but yeah.
Here we are at the New York City Motor Show with my friend Kels, New York's finest.
FDNY.
FDNY, there we go.
Yes, right here.
We want to thank you for your service. We truly appreciate it.
I appreciate your blogs, man. It's so informative.
Yeah,
it's helping me on my decisions.
Thanks for tuning in. You guys enjoy, man.
All right, thank you, bro.
I'm gonna get the. I like the Honda. I don't think I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna get the KTM Super Duke 1290R. I want to go naked. I want to do naked. Yeah, brother. I want to get the Super Duke.
You have to look into that, honestly.
Yeah, it's a great bike.
Yeah, here's another guy that's actually want to get into the motorcycle industry.
Yes.
Awesome.
I put him on and he got 2 bikes since.
Right.
What's
that? Well, Kelly,
How you doing, man? Pleasure to meet you too.
Finally, actually meet your son.
I fed him well, didn't I? I sent him to private schools.
I know.
He turned out really
He's
good.
so tired of me beating up on him.
The last video I watched, you getting smoked. What happened, man?
You must not have watched Wrist of Fury. Have you watched that yet?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Listen, so the funny thing was, he kicked my butt on the H4. I gotta give him mad
And I
props.
was more like,
Yeah, he kicked my butt. I wasn't ready.
right.
But you see what happened to his Aprilia? Beat it up real bad. I'm real bad. I mean, beat it up.
Well, thank goodness you have a person has multiple bikes. So if you lose on one, you'll home to get another.
There you go.
Let's go see the track. On his R1M.
He did.
His HB4.
Right. I would say that.
I did beat you on your HB4.
I never rode my HB4 on the track with you,
I
sir.
got the video.
Never.
Yes.
Never.
Yes.
On the Aprilia, I think you did you?
Oh, I destroyed it.
On the Aprilia on the street, yes. I never rode my HB4 on the track with
You
him.
saw what I did to him in 10 RDZ on the track, right?
And 10 RDZ?
And 10 RDZ. The only reason 10 RDZ caught me is because I got slowed down, but I rode in the pants all day. He begged me to go in intermediate. Did you not?
No, I didn't.
I got the video when you begged me. And I got the video when you were actually on your bike. It was like, oh, we finally got Erwin Kelly to come out and ride with us in the intermediate where he belongs. And what happened? And what happened?
That's true. He started before me, I couldn't catch it. That's exactly right.
Shots fired, bro.
He started before me, and I couldn't
No,
catch
I
it.
didn't
He
start
was right
before
behind you.
I started behind you. You were
No,
up.
you did not.
No, I started listening. The video doesn't lie.
So you're saying you started
No, I
behind
was in
me?
front of you.
You were in front of me,
Yes,
yes.
and we took off. You were behind me and
Yes.
all the way on the straights.
Yes.
And then what happened?
I never caught you.
I went Houdini.
So that means you started before me.
No, you can start before me and I'd have caught you.
Woulda, coulda, shoulda, I'm a gunner.
No, I got that video too. My son has been, look, I just got challenged by another guy, a friend of ours from New York today for the track. So you guys tune in and you'll see what happens to him. Anytime I get challenged, I'm going to take you up on it.
I can't wait to find the
There you go.
It's been a pleasure.
You're going to see a grown man, which happens to be my little boy, cry.
Kels, man, nice to meet you, man.
Likewise, brother. Take it easy, man.
Stay safe.
out there.
You too.
All right.
How you doing, young lady?
All right, Rachel.
Erwin Kelly, nice to meet you too. You guys have fun.
All right.
About to go out in these elements, and I'm going to put on my Sean Puffy coat. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, a coat in a bag.
Don't fall asleep, people.
That's right, my Sean Puffy coat.
How do you expand that thing?
And there you have it, honey. What do you have?
How's it get puffy? Where's the rest of it?
These are my disgruntled children. They're no mine.
Is that medium?
On this, would be a parachute jacket for you. I've been coming to New York for a long time. It's the first time I'm actually going to take the subway.
First time on the subway. I'm excited.
We're in good hands, right?
Yeah. Now we're going to get online and get a Metro card.
Lay back. groove with mine and gonna feel that beat. And we gon' ride the boogie. Come on, D2. You don't look right.
In your face.
In your face, son. Most action I've gotten in 2 weeks.
I think it's just silver.
Sing, Frozone. And feed. This is what it's about right here. Good people. Good time.
Oh, you want me to?
That's right.
This is why we love New York right here. This wonderful Metro Cops
What should
gonna
I
give us
put
a
there?
card.
What do you have?
Here we go. Going through the Metro system.
I love
We got 650. Yeah, they're a cute couple. They're awesome. Get off of there.
You're so awesome.
This is a good night. A Mr. Good Night. This is a all new experience for me. Say what's up, Magic Mike.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Hey, everybody.
Here we go.
This is like when big, crazy monster comes and starts eating the subway from the back. What movie was that?
How's it feel to be on the train for the first time?
Not my first time, tough guy.
Oh,
It feels great.
what train were you on?
was
Your
on-
Lego? Lego?
Cute.
Oh, here, Kelly.
Bro, I will kill you on this train. Warriors, come out and play. Y'all get that. See, these guys, I get that. It's my laptop about the first thing that comes up.
Oh, you saw where we
How
were
was
at
your, are you enjoying your first train ride?
right?
Yes.
A lot of
Oh, not your first, because you rode it in DC, right?
Yes, I rode the Metro
That's from there.
station.
Rides all the way up to